How to use health insurance coverage tools online properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Health insurance coverage tools online make research easy, but most beginners make mistakes that cost money or leave them underinsured. You won't believe how often people misinterpret the results. The first mistake is entering inaccurate personal information. Age, location, and medical history affect rates and plan eligibility. Small errors can lead to misleading quotes or denied coverage. Another common error is focusing only on premiums. Low monthly costs often come with high deductibles, limited provider networks, or poor prescription coverage. Evaluate total costs, not just the monthly payment. Many users also ignore coverage details like co-pays, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums. Understanding these prevents unexpected expenses when medical needs arise. A surprising mistake is overlooking provider networks. Choosing a plan without your preferred doctors or hospitals can be frustrating and expensive. Always check that your providers are included. Finally, beginners often forget to review coverage annually. Life changes, new health needs, or plan updates can impact costs and benefits. Regularly reviewing ensures optimal coverage and savings. To properly use health insurance coverage tools online, enter accurate details, consider total costs, check networks, review plan specifics, and reassess yearly. Avoiding these mistakes ensures the right coverage at the best value.